Hey friends, I'm so excited to see you all here back with us at Altitude. If you were here with us earlier this week, you would know that I had a tough decision to make. Our friends Cam and Gregory were being picked on by some mean climbers. Cam and Gregory had called down to base camp, wanting me to stop the climbers from picking on them. But here's the thing, I was too scared to. After all, if I stood up for them, then the climbers may have started picking on me. I didn't want to get burned for my efforts. But then Evie reminded me of two important facts. One, because we follow Jesus, we should stand up for what's right. And two, Jesus will help us. We can pray to him for strength, to stand up for others. And you know what? That's actually what I did, and it felt great. This is what Jesus means when he says, "Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for justice, for they will be satisfied." Before we get started on our experiment, why don't we sing a song praising Jesus for always being there with us.
It's an open heaven you're releasing, and we will never be denied. 'Cause we're stirring up deep, deep wells. We're stirring up deep, deep waters. We're gonna dance in the river. Dance in the river. 'Cause we're stirring up deep, deep wells. We're stirring up deep, deep waters. We're gonna jump in the river. Jump in the river. Deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to. We cry out to, we cry out to you, Jesus. I've got a river of living water, a fountain that never will run dry. It's an open heaven you're releasing, and we will never be denied. 'Cause we're stirring up deep, deep wells. We're stirring up deep, deep waters. We're gonna dance in the river. Dance in the river. 'Cause we're stirring up deep, deep wells. We're stirring up deep, deep waters. We're gonna jump in the river. Jump in the everybody sing it out. Deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to. We cry out to, we cry out to you, Jesus. Deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to. We cry out to, we cry out to you, Jesus. We're falling into deeper waters, calling after you. We're walking into deeper waters, going after you. Everybody clap your hands. If he goes to the left, then we'll go to the left. And if he goes to the right, then we'll go to the right. We're gonna jump, 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 jump in the river. Jump, 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 jump. Everybody, if he goes to the left, then we'll go to the left. And if he goes to the right, then we'll go to the right. We're gonna dance, 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 dance in the river. Dance, dance,
Okay, I think I'm going to need a couple of friends to help me out with this experiment. Why don't you guys come on in? Perfect. So can you guys tell us your names?
My name's Anya.
Anya and
Mieka.
Mieka. Well, I'm really excited that you're here, girls, because we're going to have a super fun experiment. This week, we've been talking a lot about doing the right thing, even when it's super hard. Even when you're afraid you might get picked on for maybe standing up for the new kid, or maybe you're afraid you're going to get burned for your efforts. That's why I thought it was fitting that we would use candles in our experiment. You know, getting burned, fire, candles. No laugh? Okay, that's fine. So, we're going to be doing our experiment. But the first thing that we're going to need to do is light our candles. So, Josiah, why don't you come on in and you can help us light our candles today. Perfect. Great work. Okay, the next step, girls, is Anya. Can you help me? You're going to pour the vinegar into the cup. Perfect. Okay, the next step is we're going to put a spoonful of baking soda in and then we're going to cover it with a plate. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, you can just watch it. Great. And now we're going to pour over air onto the candle to put it out. There we go. Yeah, good work. That was awesome, guys. So, you know, in real life, we don't have a special trick to make sure that we don't get hurt when we're helping others, even when it's super hard. But you know what we can do? We can talk to Jesus, and he wants to help us, which is so cool. Has there ever been a time in your guys' lives when you've had to do the hard thing, but it was the right thing?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's pretty awesome. Well, girls, I think we really had a fun time today, and you really helped me do this experiment, so thank you so much. I'll see you guys later. Doing the right thing can be super hard, but it's so worth it. Next time you're facing a hard situation, you can pray to Jesus, and he will help you stand up for others, even when it's difficult. Well, that's all I got for now. Thank you so much for joining us today. I'll see you guys later.